Hello, everyone. My name is Jeff, and I am going to be your spokesperson for this really short video. I am from the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. And in this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to add a simple Fox News add-on or application to your Kodi software so you can watch your news. If this is your first time to the Stream Machines, thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up, like the video, and share it with someone that you think it can help. This is going to be one of the last videos of the continuation of the Beginners or Kodi for Beginners series. So I haven't really got an official name for it yet, but nevertheless, I am grateful for those who have been tuning in, because Kodi is one of the ones, I've been saying it for a very, very long time, and others are hopping on it. It's one of the ones that they cannot block and will not block, because it's an empty entertainment application. It is a media center application. So whatever you put in it is what you put in it. Now, because I am on YouTube, I'm going to make sure I do not have any copyright infringement. So having Fox News is absolutely free to have. And I'm going to show you by using the official Kodi repository where you can find this type of application. So if you like your news and you like Fox, that's great. If you don't and just want to know how simple this application can be, let's get into it. So the first thing we always want to do is, if you have a VPN, you want to just connect that before you do anything on your device. So I got private internet access. I'm going to go ahead and log in really quick. I am in Seattle, so it says it's connected. That's how simple it is to really protect your device. What you want to do is make sure you have Kodi application, the Kodi application, on your device. What I'm going to do is highlight that and press the OK button. From here, you're going to see this is the entrance of Kodi. So we've already gone through that you have to add the majority of things to it. As you can see, I've already put something on here. But to find Fox News, what you want to do is real simple. You want to highlight the settings wheel and press OK. Then you want to go over to add-ons and open box, highlight that, press OK. After that, you want to go to install from repository, press OK. As you can see, I have a couple of different repositories, but you want to go to all repositories and press the OK button on your remote control. From there, you want to highlight video add-ons and press OK. And then what you want to do is find Fox News. So you got Food Network, you got all of these add-ons in the Kodi repository. So we're just going to go ahead and find Fox News right here. Press OK. Then it's going to say install right there. You're going to highlight that and press install. Then you're going to hit the OK button there. Then you should see the percentage go from 0. Hopefully it'll go to 100%. So let it do what it do, baby. It's already installed. And that's a good thing, right? I think that's a really great thing. And then once it's installed, you can make sure it's definitely installed. And then you want to choose Fox News, click install. And then after that, return back to the home page. So we're going to go back to the home page just by hitting the back button. All right. Then you want to go down, I believe, to add-ons, and you should see foxnews.com, which is cool. Highlight that, press OK. Oh, it gave us an error. That means things have changed on their URL, but that's how you add a repository. It looks like that Fox News has changed their URL. So let's see if we can find something else to install while we're here. And make sure that's the case. Yep, that means they've changed some things there, so there's nothing wrong with that. What we're going to do is we're just going to disable that like that. Perfect. We're going to go back up. Again, this is where you find a lot of the add-ons. You go back here to the open box, install from repository, all repositories, video add-ons. And there you go right there. So there's Google Drive, GoPlay, GQ, Greek Voice, HD Australia. There's trailers here if you wanted to do that. So there's a lot of different things where you can find this. And I was just looking at this about a week ago, so I'm pretty surprised that it did that. Let me see if I can find something else really quick while we're here. Let me see here. No. Wow. Okay. Let's see if we can get, there's some Adult Swim here. So there's different ones that you can choose, but I just wanted to show you how really easy it is, okay, that you can find different things. So you got, Comet with sci-fi. There's all kinds of things here. So do yourself a favor. I know it didn't install, and I'm really surprised because I was just watching it last week, and I thought it'd make a great video. But it's okay. At least you know you can go to the Kodi repository and use this great media center to get what you're looking for. All right. So as I close out the video, I'll hit the home button. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. Hey, in the comments below, we're going to put a link to one of the best little media sticks that I did a previous video about. It's called the P6 Mini. If you're interested in finding a great travel companion or you want a streaming device where you could take it with you, make sure you share this video and click on the link in the description, and we'll give you a massive discount code. All right. In other words, we'll see you in the next video, because in our next video, we're going to take a look at what Formula is doing that a lot of people don't realize it's going to make them a game changer. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.